Warriors are back. This time we're in Sandycroft, Wales. What a charity this is. Look how beautiful that building is. Look at that dwelling. What a history. This place is steeped in history. So it's been a church, it's been a scouts hall, it's been a school. Fantastic. And this is a food bank. Provides meals, food, advice, warmth to the community. Very interesting dwelling inside. Not a massive project. This isn't a wow project. This is from Jones Gas. And I've been seeing him quite a lot on social media lately, and it's really good. It's really positive, and his marketing, his professionalism, is really, really good. And I've learned a lot today from this guy, and I've been doing it 25 years. Look at his marketing, absolutely fantastic. He's inside fitting the boiler, the Alpha E-Tech 33. But look at this, fantastic. Look at that van, eh? Look how proud he is. Email, website, social media platforms. He's got his logo on. Yes, he's gas safe. And look inside the van. Look at those van coverings, look. Even the logo on there, look. QR code on. Fantastic. Just imagine you're out walking the dog. You're out walking the dog and you think, oh, there's a plumber, I'll get his details. You give it a scan. Absolutely fantastic. Install, service, repair. Brilliant. Look at that. And you've got the steps, look. So say it again, yeah?
So underneath there is a lithium battery.
Yep.
Charger that charges off the engine. There's a night heater, an inverter, so we've got 240 volt in here as well. And you can see the battery charger up there. CCTV on the top and the bottom.
Oh yeah, light.
Yeah, work light there. That really bright at night. All these are PIR lights inside that roll off a leisure battery, so walk in and out. And if I want to get in, because it's a big van, just get straight in, get my stuff, get it out.
I love that.
All the cubic drawers and everything, all the boiler parts.
That's brilliant, mate. It is brilliant, thank you. Oh wow. Wow. So have you done all that?
Yeah. That's shadow foam and you put it all out.
That is really good. So, this is the boiler we've taken out. Positive pressure boiler. It's about 20 years old, maybe 25, 30 years old. It was installed 2 years ago. Not judging. It might have been installed by a volunteer to help out. Let's look inside. More marketing, look. We come round on the job. Look at that work, Matt. Jones Gas, and look at the dust sheets. Absolutely brilliant. So this is all the food, look. Your kitchen there where they're helping out. Look at the wall, got the nice fancy ceramic tiles. Rock climbing there. Chains at the top. Got brackets on the fruit. So here we have Jones the gas.
Hello!
Hello! Installing the boiler.
You've done it. I've done it. I've done it.
Trying to get this Alpha in there.
Thank you very much, Alpha.
Yeah.
So just briefly explain underneath the boiler
Yeah.
to the DIYs and stuff like that.
So the pipe layout on this is slightly different than most boilers. So we've got the flow for the heat in there. We've got the return, and then on the return we've got a Trapex filter. That filters any debris out and come back. Obviously we're going to flush it out. This is the filling loop on the cold main.
Yeah.
Also got a shock arrestor there.
Yeah.
So that's particularly important if you've got a water meter with a non-return on, takes up the expansion. This is the hot there, and then the gas is going to come out to there. I like to put lever valves and everything, so if I ever work on the boiler in the future, I know there's built-in ones on the boiler, but say you want to change one of them, you can whack all that off dead quick, dead easy. Something I fit on pretty much all my installs, and works pretty well. Hasn't got a blow off in this, it's built inside. So we're going to put the condensate through, Condensate Pro outside, and then we're going to dig a soak away outside for that to go into. The flue's in, obviously we've got to patch it up, get some brick and cement in there. But no, it's all good.
Thank you.
No worries.
What's there now? What do you want to take? Just tea, please. Thank you.
So that's it. That's it. It's all done. what next for WOW? So I'm currently in the process of making it a registered charity. It's too much for me to cope on my own, and the volunteers, they do so much towards the charity and the community. I want to share it, give them responsibility. Next weekend, I'm in Nottingham at a community hub. Me and Richard, we're going to be doing training sessions for trustees and the local community to help save them money on their heating system, their hot water system, and to give them advice and tips on DIY. It's our second session at this community hub in Nottingham, and the first time it was packed. The room was absolutely packed, and it was really good because after the training session we had loads of feedback from the public, how we gave them reassurance. They were worried about how to resolve leaks and costs in the home, so that was good. Going back to another charity project to install a timing programmer, a control system to help save them money. So yeah, thank you for watching. DM if you've got a charity that needs any help or support, send the team round. And well done to Jones Gas. You've done the community proud here and the industry. Look at that van. I might take it for a spin.